YouTube.
For YouTube?
For our YouTube channel. Did you not know we have a YouTube channel?
No, I actually had no idea. What's the YouTube channel called?
For real?
For real?
TriXster
Okay.
Studio.
I have to go and like and subscribe.
Yeah.
So it's seems to be the everyday event now. Happy birthday to Travis.
That's awesome.
Maybe I should just make a T-shirt that says just like, click subscribe, click like,
and
subscribe.
on the back, go like and subscribe. If you don't, you're a hater.
I like this idea. I'm gonna do that.
There we go. Next batch.
Nice.
Next batch.
Pardon?
I need to go get my shirt.
Yeah.
I'm not repping right now.
Yeah. They fit big. This is a small.
Well, you're also a midget.
Well, I know. I even put in the wash and tried to shrink
Anything
it.
over an XL?
There's the XLs are like they're pretty big. Like everybody I think was going a size down.
That's what they say, and then I put it on, and it's like.
Great turnout tonight, though.
Yeah, it was good, and thank goodness there's no thunderstorms.
Yeah.
A project we've been needing to do at the sanctuary is widen the doors so that we can get another car upstairs. I was on Marketplace and came across an arena that's getting torn down to put up condos, and we got some doors for a really good price. But part of it is that we have to uninstall them. So we are here in Oshawa taking down some doors. Ajax? Same thing, almost.
There, this one.
Diesel move. Diesel move. Tarps up there, and then a hose coming out, and then into a bucket for leaks. Pretty good idea.
a lot of time
Yeah.
building the actual fucking door. I mean, we're still gonna have to do stuff to make it look like it's not a fucking warehouse door.
Diesel and I had a snack.
Fucking dog gets McDonald's more than normal people get McDonald's.
No, that's not true. We don't eat there very much.
He's not supposed to eat there at all. He's a dog.
People aren't supposed to eat there either. Touche.
In all the commercials, it's people eating McDonald's. You never see a dog eating McDonald's.
Well, now they're gonna see our video and then they're gonna start doing that and they're gonna make more millions of dollars.
Yeah, because, you know, dogs should get double cheeseburgers with bacon.
He didn't have a double cheeseburger with bacon, he had a grilled chicken with no seasoning. And some ice cream. And some ice cream.
I feel horrible.
My tummy hurts, I got brain freeze.
I got cramps.
Oh.
I think I got poop.
Aww.
My tummy hurts. God, McDonald's.
Okay, you need a nap.